It's Friday, so that means it's time for another episode of Floor Plan Fridays. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan, and I'm your Tampa Bay Area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. All right, so remember, in this series, I don't mention CDD fees, I don't mention HOA fees. I'm just showing you the floor plan because they're being built through multiple communities throughout the Tampa Bay and Sarasota areas. So if you like this particular floor plan, send me an email and I can send you the areas that they're being built in and all the different HOA and CDD fees per community. All right, let's go. All right, this is the Holden model by DR Horton. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3313 square feet. This particular home is already sold, but they are being built throughout the Tampa Bay and Sarasota markets, ranging anywhere between $460,000 to $565,000. And since this was already sold, there's no need to do a pan around the neighborhood. But let's go inside, take a look at it, and let me know what you think about it in the comments below. All right, so you come in the front door. Right here to the right is going to be your flex room. This one has the French doors with the glass, can light above. And this one has already sold, but there are others for sale throughout the the Tampa Bay and Sarasota markets. So just depending on the community, they range anywhere from $460,000 all the way up to $565,000. So if you like this model or floor plan, just reach out and I can get you the latest inventory. Let's go upstairs, then we'll come back down. And then, in these type of videos, the Floor Plan Friday videos, I'm not giving HOA fees, CED fees, stuff like that, since they do vary from community to community. But you come up the stairs, you got this huge loft up here. Closet there. To the left, it's going to be your primary bedroom. You got your French doors. Nice size bedroom. Little sitting area over here if you want to set that up. Into the bathroom. You have a linen closet right there. First vanity here, white cabinets, granite countertops. Second vanity right there. Toilet there. Nice big soaker tub with a window right there. Then your walk-in shower. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to show you the closet. The best part, gigantic walk-in closet. It also has access to the laundry room. So you come in here, you got your second story laundry. And then come out this way, right here to the right, at the end of the hall here. It's gonna be another closet, nice size closet. And then here's down the hallway back to the loft right there. You're gonna have another bedroom right here. Very nice size, very big bedroom. It has a walk-in closet as well. All right, continuing on. Another bathroom. Get the dual vanity. Linen closet right there. And then your toilet, tub and shower combo with a tile around. Air handler behind that door. And then one more bedroom upstairs. Nice sized bedrooms. Get you a little peek at the closet here. All right. Let's go downstairs, take a look at the kitchen, and then there's another bedroom down here as well. All right, so you come down the stairs right into the kitchen, nice big island here. And then you got to check out this butler's pantry. All right, so this community is an electric community, but there are gas communities throughout the Tampa Bay area. Nice butler's pantry over here, the extended countertops, cabinets, and then your pantry there. All right, there's gonna be one more bedroom down here, and then the garage. But you got your nice living room here, nice big tray ceiling. And then over here, you're gonna have another bedroom right around the corner here. Closet. First floor bedroom. Or it could be an office, you know, whatever you like. Nice sized bedroom though. And then there's another bathroom right here with the shower on this one. I've seen some people put in glass doors here to kind of jazz up the shower. And then this little area here, you tell me, what would you use this for? This is right off of the garage. So garage is right here. You got your 2-car garage. And then the other thing is going to be your covered lanai. Which, keep in mind, this one's already sold, but you do have your triple sliders here that collapse into each other. Open this up for nice indoor-outdoor living, which is amazing this time of year with hardly any humidity. I'll come back here and I'll just give you a view of the back of the property so you can kind of get an idea what the back of it looks like. That's going to do it for this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But until next video, take care.